It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look at the 5 and 10.
It's glistening once again with candy canes and silver lanes that glow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Toys in every store.
But the prettiest sight to see is the holly that we be on front door.
A pair of hopalong puss and a pistol that shows it's the wish or bunny in bed. The dance and a talk and a go for a walk is the hope of Janice and Jen.
And Mama that can hardly wait for school to start again. It's beginning to
Look a lot like Christmas.